Hey everyone, it's Dawn here. Do you want to see? Oh, check this out. I put on my other Craftsman tool. You guys want to see how I used to be in 2003? I made this folder. I bought one of my 8 motorcycles. I named him, and it was a 2003 Yamaha R6. I wrote down what he was. Oh, why is this thing not focusing? I wrote down all of the aftermarket parts that he had on him, had all the notes for his suspension set for 190 pound rider plus gear, 5 oil weight, 130 oil level, 0.95 spring. Stig, who does the best at doing suspension stuff, recommends taking one step down, so a 0.9 spring, but a quick fix would be to cut the preload spacer by 5 to 6 millimeters. Dyno at 109 horsepower by L&L, no engine mods or even power commander. Lots of spares, 5,900 advertised, bought on this date for 5,000. And then I printed out all the pictures that I took of him at purchase time. And yes, what you doing, Peaches? And printed out the service manual, labeled all the sections on the service manual. And look at the condition that this is in after all these years. So that's how it used to be. That's the type of person I used to be, and that's what I need to get back to. Hey, what are you guys doing? What, Peaches? And uh-oh, are we getting into a fight? Wait, what happened here? Here we go. So, for those of you that don't know, this is Crookshanks, because his tail was broken in a gazillion places. And we now have 2 cats. Peaches, where are you? Peaches is the first one, and Peaches has been trying to defend her territory by fighting Crookshanks and chasing him away. Yes, Peaches, you shouldn't do that. So I tell her not to do that, but she's like, no, but you're mine. You're my human. So when you hear the nervous meows from Crookshanks, it's because he really wants to be here, but he's also telling Peaches to not kill him. Peaches gets, get out of here. Crookshanks goes, no, go away, stop being mean, we can share. Crookshanks is so affectionate. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I will do a better video later. Give me a sec.